Top of the morning to you. So today, I'm finally doing it. I've been out west for 5 years, off and on. I'm from Massachusetts, and it's something I've always wanted to do. That I said I'm going to do that. I'm going to do it, but honestly, it's so damn expensive up in Utah anyway that I haven't done it. But here I am in Arizona on my piece of land I just bought, and in the back, I don't know if you can see. Well, okay, you probably can't see so well, but there's a couple mountains right there that I look at every day now, and I'm like, I need to ski that thing. I need to ski that thing. Well, I'm here, but then this happened. Shit. Oh my word. Something blew. Oh man. Well, just a small little snafu. Blew a radiator hose, so that stinks. But you know what? Nice thing is my house is right here with me, so I'm going damn skiing, and I'll worry about it when I get back. Let's go. Yay! I'm on my first gondola ride! Woohoo! This is so very exciting for me. I've never been on one of these. Although I think, judging by the trajectory, I think this takes you to the Black Diamond, so safe travels to me. Well, look at me surviving. Almost like a real skier. Yeah, that's right. I'm going for a second round now because it was a little scary right off. Not right off. There was one like Black Diamond drop off, and then once you get past that, it was pretty Blue Diamondy. So, and I'm getting, it's like riding a bike. You start getting used to it again and your balance. And I mean, I still suck. Don't get me wrong, but I'm surviving and not falling. So, and not killing anybody else in the meantime. So I just had my liquid lunch. Yum. Let me give you a little rundown on the Arizona Snow Bowl. So it's pretty cool. Like, I'm definitely not a very great skier, but it's been really fun. And it's March 23rd. I could take off this vest. I mean, it's gorgeous. And the price was right. Like I said, $45, lift ticket, and rentals. Oh, and they gave me $10 of bowl bucks or something. So that bought my liquid lunch there.